For the rest of the semester in CSC 102, we will be completing assignments with Office on your computer. All right, you'll be doing some simulations, some projects, and some exams. And I want to do two things in this video. One, compare Office 365 to the installed version of Office, as well as go into how to install Office on your computer. So first, let's go ahead and go see and compare the differences. What we need to do is log into our HCC email. So we can do that from the HCC homepage by going to quick links in the top left-hand corner. It would help if you guys could see my screen. There we go. So quick links in that top left-hand corner, and then we can go ahead and click on email. From there, we're going to go ahead and click on the login to HCC student email, and you can see, hopefully you can log in or pick your account at this point. And then you can go ahead and type in your password, and I'll be right back. All right, once you've got your password typed in, it will log you in and it'll take you to your HCC student email. Now, again, to use the web-based version, we're going to click on those 9 dots in the top left-hand corner that say App Launcher. And then you can see we have our different options of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. One thing that is missing is Access, but we won't be using that too much in this class. So we can go ahead and click on Word, and for our purposes, let's just go ahead and open up a blank document. And I will go ahead and open up a normal version of Word as well, so we can go ahead and compare the differences. So right off the bat, you'll notice that our home tab is a little different. We've still got the clipboard section, we still have the font section and paragraph, and I think styles are in there. Looks like that should be styles, yep. And again, having this be half screen versus full screen, everything is a little bit different. You will notice that overall the tabs across the top are close. We still have home, insert, references. Let me click the drop down. We also have view and help. We don't have a design tab anymore. All right, so things are going to be different, and I highly suggest that you actually use the installed version of Office. All right, it will make your life easier. Everything will match from the simulation to what's installed on your computer compared to trying to figure out how to do it again in the web-based version. Web-based version is great for quick things and for collaborating on stuff, but when you're just trying to get your one assignment done or work on something by yourself, the installed version of Office I find to be better. So that leads us into step 2, how to install Office on your computer. Now, as an HCC student, you do get Microsoft Office for free, which is awesome. So you're going to go ahead and click on those 3 dots again, the top left-hand corner, and then you're going to go ahead and select Office 365. That's going to take you here, and it will give you your recent, your pin, share, discovered. But what we truly care about is over here on the right-hand side where it says Install Office. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. And you have Office to access to install Outlook for business, or we can install options. So overall, you guys just need the Office 365 app. You can go ahead and click that button. It will download a launcher for you, and you can just basically click that to run, say yes, and then as long as you have access to the internet, you will have access to a fully installed version of Microsoft Office. So very helpful for you guys as students to be able to get the version for free. I believe that you have 3 installs that you can do. So if you have a desktop, a laptop, or 2 laptops, you can install Office on all of those with just your one HCC account. So you aren't limited to, well, do I install my laptop or my desktop? No, you can actually install it on both. So highly suggest that you guys install Office on your computer. For those of you who already have Office on your computer, you might want to look at the version of it. If it's a really old version, maybe 2012 or older, you might want to update to the newest one. If you actually do look at your textbook, I believe that is, I'm not sure, oh, my textbook's right here. It talks about, actually in this one it doesn't. Normally it tells you that it's, Office whatever version, and I believe this is, yeah, this is probably either using 2019 or actually the Office 365 version. So I highly suggest for those running an older version of Microsoft Office that you do actually go through the process of installing. Once you click on that, it may ask you for your user account control, and you're just going to say yes, and then it's actually going to start the install process, which I don't actually want. Good. So, because it's already installed on my computer. So, it's a very quick and easy process to install Office. If you have any questions, let me know.